So from the trade that I show you guys, how did I catch that big move? So I noticed this APT token Aptos when they listed it around this area. It have one long wick candle is over here, but this is Binance. This is on Binance, and then Binance doesn't had the long wick of it there. So I just like this chart because it doesn't have the long wick. Let me show you on the other chart. So let me show you what it look like. So look at this, you can see it has a long wick candle. So this is not really good, and it's actually kind of confusing also. So some people will not really like to, they will not know where to choose as their all-time high. So I go with the Binance chart, and then I draw this level. I actually monitor it. I thought when this happen, it's going to shoot up like this, but it doesn't. That doesn't happen. Like it's going to shoot up like this, but that doesn't happen and stay above this level. So that doesn't happen. Then I try to continue watching it. It breaks this level. I apply a trend line below this level like this. So it broke it down, and if you extend it to this area, you can actually get something as well. So it broke that. Then if you are to short this market from here, I shorted it and I make some money, so it goes down, but I don't actually know where I close it from, but I don't follow it to this downside chart. So that's one thing. So and then, but I kept this my area, this my level, I kept those ones there. So when all this happened, I stopped checking crypto markets, so I focused more on the forex market during that period. But then when I came back and realized that Bitcoin is going up already, so what I did is that if you notice this area very well, you can actually apply something to this area, and you can see how it work out. You can see how that area work out. So the market keep coming back to that area, going back. So over here, it touch it, goes down and broke above it. From that point, the movement changed. So then you fly up like this, you get to this level, look at this, match with this level. So I draw down, goes down and break above it, and where it break above, you can actually make use of that area as well. You can do this to this area. So I long it from here, because this is actually what I draw before. When the market break above that area, I put my long, but then when the whole setup is fully ready, this is what we have. You can actually make use of the wick of the candle, 1, 2, then the third one broke it and start moving up. But for the sake of I don't know, so we can actually put it here also. Then look at this that we have over here. Look at this that we have over here. So that's actually a perfect place to put your stop loss below this level. Then so the market flew above that area and then fowler. So it goes above that area, it goes above this area and goes up. So now it means it have broke above all-time high, according to, since I choose this chart without wick of the candle, so it goes above it. Now I longed it and I'm able to make this 239 percent from $8.4, and like it's around $12.54 now. So that's how I make this move, with just support and resistance zone, and then this pattern also. So I post a pattern on my Instagram channel, like all those patterns that I know about, I post them on, and how to find an entry using pattern. So those can actually help you out. You can check me at official Prince Ola. So on Instagram you'll be able to get those things, and look at the smaller time frame. Even on a 15-minute time frame, you can still see we have something here. Look at this. On 15-minute time frame, we have, let me use the rectangle. We have something here. So you can see this, the market goes up like this, break this. So you can actually use trend line to do this, and then you break above it, you find your entry. So, but I think it will probably come down again. It cannot just be flying up, it will probably come down again to this point, then goes up. If the bull run is going, if this uptrend move is going to keep happening, then I think that's what is going to happen. It's going to come down and then push up again. And Bitcoin is actually making some good, nice move also on its own. So I look at, what is this? Okay, that's another thing. So I look at this. So Bitcoin also making some nice moves. So I kind of think it's going to also have a positive effect on the project itself. I've try and avoid all these things. So there's a purpose. I draw them over there. You're just a soul I planted into the ground. I hear so loud. And if you notice very well, BTC is actually making some good move here. So this is what the monthly chart look like. So look at what the monthly chart look like. Let me hide those lines. So you can see it seems to be having a good response from the market now, like from this January. So the market, look at this candle, look at how many move it have engulfed. So this is actually a very good move. So if you can cover up to this point, then the higher chance of bull run is like, it's very clear. And aside from that, I also have this style that I make use of to also know whether we are in bull run or not. So look at this, my calculation. So look at this, should I call it a line or something? This days candle count. So we have 1461 days for this, from this bull run to the next bull run, and from this bull run, this is 2017 bull run, to the next bull run, the previous bull run, which is 2021. So that one also is 31 days. So I expect the next bull run to be around this area. So I expect the next bull run to be around this area. So look at this, from this bull run to this bull run, so it's 1430. So if we use the same tactic, like the same distance from here, look at this, 1461, 1431. So I expect this to be around 1430 to 1460 or 90. Let's just say that 1430 to 90 days. So, and we are still here. So in this case now, it means we have only spent 400 and something days. So we still have like 1000 days to spend in this if we start a new bull run. So that is what I see. So that aside, let's just take that one aside. That's not exactly why I'm showing you this chart. So if you see this, so that's it for the 1 month. Then if you check the daily chart, so you can actually see that the market break this channel. I don't know the name of this pattern, but when I see them, I always know that okay, something is there. So, and they broke the pattern upside without any retest or something. So break this level, no, it's playing around this level for now. So I think at a point it will actually go above it, and I'm expecting to get above this level. This is 24,000 something. So if it goes above that area, then from that point I will expect some pullback, which is where I'm going to believe, okay, this market is actually back to the bull move. So when it goes above all these levels, that's when I'm going to believe. When it goes above the level and like creating something like this, it goes above it to any point, then reverse back. So this move will be my belief, my trust in the market. So when it retests back to somewhere around this level, so this next move will be where I'm going to start trusting the market. Look at what happened here. So you can see, even though we have all this, So the market cannot always print the same move, but then at a point it have to retrace. I think we have some news around this year. This seems like 2020. Okay, this COVID news, so that's why we have, and the COVID has actually been germinating around since around this area. This is 2019, so around this area also. So it goes down. We have the COVID news here, so it affects the market and then it goes up. So this is the low of 2019 for this bull run. So the low of this one will now be this. So so that is it. So if Bitcoin keep making it move, then I expect Aptos to also continue its own move also upside, but it will not go in a straight line. It will definitely retreat back downward. But this is a very good project that people actually like. There's a lot of noise around it that it's going to be fine, it's a good project and all that. So that's it. That is it. So I will just keep my eyes on the 15-minute time frame to see what is going to play out, if we are going to have another good move. So that's it.